As you can see from the title, we got some new samples in the mail, and we got our first Ipsy 12. I know I'm late, whatever. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Zamrah Beauty. I do beauty content, PR packages, and monetization videos. We're going to be opening some samples. So, the bulk of my samples, like I've said in previous videos, they come from the TikTok shop and then this other app called Skippers. So let's dive right in. Now, one of these items that's coming is great for iPhone users to help free up storage for your phone so we can keep this content going on, honey. Okay? So this was not a free sample. I actually purchased this. It was only about, I don't know, I'll add it somewhere, under $15. But I really like this because I have iPods, I have a watch, and of course my iPhone. So this three-way charging station I thought was so cool, right? And you can also do that if you don't get like free stuff in the mail and you are part of the TikTok affiliate program. You can order stuff. What I do is, let me give you a little secret. Shh. Keep it on the hush hush. Okay, so you create, people do this. It's no secret, but they run multiple TikTok accounts through the TikTok shop, right? So you can purchase from your own showcase. So what I went to my other page and I purchased this through my showcase and I earned a commission. So it's like you're getting a discount even though it wasn't free. You're earning a commission. How cool is that? Come on now. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so there's that. I could put my watch there, my phone, and my pods all at once. Can't wait to use that. Okay. If you're part of the Amazon affiliate program, a lot of these products are also available on Amazon. So you can use that same video that you use on TikTok and post it to your Amazon page and to hopefully get a commission from there also. So we're gonna charge this baby up because we just plugged up our phone. I don't know if you get a strike for not completing the video obligation, because I don't think anything happens, but let's see. Let's put our watch there. She snapped right on. Where are my iPods? So nice. Okay, the cord is kind of short. Be right back. Oh. Okay. Are those charging? I hope those is charging. I don't know if the pods. Do the pods? I don't know. I'll have to look at that later. Because with the pods, you can't tell. But the other thing that I'm hoping works with my phone, now I need scissors, is a USB. There's this attachment that you can use to take the memory and stuff off your phone so you can free up space so we can keep these videos going, baby. I'm going to take my daughter. I never did this. Well, I did it once, actually. But I'm gonna do it again. I have like all my daughter's baby pictures on my phone, so I'm gonna go to Walgreens and have them put them in a photo album, and then that way I can delete those. And then this one I can transfer it to a memory card and free up some storage on my iPhone. Very important. If you're using your phone, a lot of us are using our phone. So let's get into the next sample. Where are my scissors? Ooh, I don't want to knock this down because I got an iPad set up and it's just like a little janky. Ooh, what's this? Hold on. Okay, top of this. So So this, sometimes I just request samples because they send me collab invites. This was a collab invite through the TikTok shop. And this product I don't really need, but it's for acne prone, not acne prone, it's for eczema. I think eczema and acne prone skin. It's a moisturizer, but it's for mainly for eczema breakouts, either on your face. I don't know if it's to wear with makeup. It just says hydrating matte moisturizer for dry eczema prone skin. So that's what I was saying. But thank you, Topicals. Okay, that was a sample. That was a free sample. This also I paid for. That this charging port and this little gadget I purchased from my showcase. So I earned a commission from that and from this. So let's see. I'm gonna save this girl for last. Okay, she's the star of the show. This brand is called D'Alba. I've heard some people say some funny stuff when I'm pronouncing that, but it's D'Alba. You know, just like the what is it? Vitamin C? No. Tocopheroacetate. Vitamin E. Vitamin E. Anyway, so I love this brand, D'Alba. They do a lot of, it's a Korean skincare brand, and they do a lot of white truffle and vegan ingredients in their products. So let's see what they sent. This was, let's see, their SPF. I love their products. They're so hydrating. I use this. This is a balm. It's like a balm, and I use it under here in the crease areas. And then they have a 2-step moisturizer that has a serum and a moisturizer on the other side. And then this is the SPF that they sent me. This was a free sample from the TikTok shop. Let's see what else they sent. Okay, so they sent, they're doing a, you can participate in their, they're doing like a the review thing, and you get a free bottle of their revitalizing serum. And then if your video gets picked, they'll send you a free Dyson Airway Complete Long, that right there. And so this tells you how to use the serum according to your skin type, dry, combination, and oily. This is me oily down here. So more of the cream, less of the serum for the oily skin. Cream mainly in the U zone and serum in the T zone. And what is this? Oh, a little sample. They put a little sample of the cream, which I have the full version, but that's okay because this can go in my beauty fridge. I love these little samples for the beauty fridge. I'll probably tell y'all this in every video. Ooh, can I open it without tearing it up? See, the premium vegan. Vegan recipe for your skin. It's the aqua serum, which is hydrating, and the intense cream that is firming. Oh, it's got a little logo thing. So cute. Thank you. So that was also a free gift. I didn't know that was going to be in there. Usually they only send one thing. But one thing about this is off topic, but this was a free sample too. They sent me 2. It was in separate packaging. I only requested 1. They sent me 2. Thank you. You know, I'm in heaven with the makeup and the skincare. Thank you so much. I'm gonna put that in my beauty fridge. That's a little clip. That looks like a little hair clip. I'm gonna wear this in the video. When I do the video of this, I'm gonna wear that hair clip. Okay. I'm telling you. I had so much fun making these videos. I've been working on YouTube, so it's been a little bit of a challenge, but we're gonna get through it. So the star of the show, Zamrah. Look how cute this bag is. Why have I never ordered anything from Ipsy? So what I liked about Ipsy is that you could do like a mystery bag. You can pick what you want in your bag. You can add some stuff to your bag. They have different tiers. I'm gonna add some stuff to the screen. And then they also had like a, I don't know what else I was gonna say. What is in here? So what is this? Because I think this is 2 bags. I don't know. It's a lot of stuff in here, it seems like. I added some stuff to my thing. I know there was one supposed to be for January, I think. This might be more than one thing. I don't know. But hey, I'm here for it. So I think this is the actual Glam bag. I like this. I'm gonna reuse it. I want to get a job at Ipsy. I've seen a warehouse close by. There's the bag. There's always some shit on there when they give it to you. Oh, that's cute. Little lollipop. Here, I'll turn it that way because it ain't on that side. There's the Glam bag. Let's see, what's this in here? Oh. It says Ofra. I'm familiar with Ofra from when I went to beauty school. Coral Crush Blush. I do remember picking this. So like they have different tiers of beauty bags that you can get, and you pay like a monthly thing. It's really cheap. It's like $30. 25, 20 different tiers of different little surprise makeup products, and you can pick them. That's pretty. I like Ofra. Coral. There's that. Was that free? I don't know. No, I think, okay, I paid for this. This stuff I paid for. This I paid for this Glam bag. I think they do put samples in there. Shit. Let's see. There's a salicylic acid, rhodial pore refining cleanser. Love me some cleansers. Okay. This is the little Glam bag. Self-love starts here. I think this is the middle tier or the smallest one. I can't remember. But they have one up above it and maybe one below it or something like that. I'll show you guys on the picture somewhere. Take a page from Gabrielle Union. Book on self-love. And fall for February Glam bag and feel good. Okay, so what's in the Glam bag? I don't know if this was a surprise or what. I don't really know, but there's some other shit in there. Okay, so there's the Ofra at the top. There's the Pink Diamond Salicylic Acid Gel Cleanser. There's a Barrier Culture Body Cream, Dew of the Gods, Palm Glaze Pomegranate Retinol Face Oil, and a Beauty For Real Hydrate Set Translucent Finishing Powder in Brighten. So that's what's in the little Glam bag. So cute. You can take it on the go. There's that. Okay. Oh yeah, I dropped it. Okay, Dew of the Gods, the pomegranate, because you know in the scripture the gods, they love pomegranate. You love pomegranates. It's pomegranate. Somebody was eating pomegranate. Limited edition mystery bag. Introducing February's limited edition mystery bag. Glow Recipe, Guava Vitamin C, Bright Eye Gel Cream, Pacifica Beauty, Glow Baby Super Lit Enzyme Scrub, and a What's Up Beauty Watch Me Volumizing and Lifting Mascara. Okay. The little powder. I love these little travel size powders because it's really the perfect size for you to try it. That looks very brightening, and this is a translucent. So that was the Glam bag. And I believe I picked the items. You pick the items in your Glam bag. I think I already said that, but whatever. Brighten. What's the first ingredient? Aqua? How do you get aqua in there? Dimethicone, silica. Okay. I can't read up close with my glasses, but you know, whatever. I just want to open this up and see if it's got, can you see it in the bottle or what? I can't wait to see what else is in there. I think they sent both bags because they hadn't sent the other one yet. No, you can't see. Might got a little tint. Can't wait to use that. There's that. Let's see what else we got in here. What is this? What is this? Okay. Wrinkle Solution. Dr. Jart. Wrinkle solution immediately reduces the look of dried lines with moisture for younger looking skin. Okay, dermatology tested, Dr. Jar. Okay. What is this, baby? Girl Lactic, the Essential Palette. Wow, that's full size. I don't know. Okay. Let's open her up and see what's going on with this palette, honey. I don't even remember picking this. But, you know, everything is a surprise. Okay, she's got some neutral tones. Okay. That light is so bright. Okay. There's that. This I remember picking. It's like a body scrub, Juicy Couture, Velvet Velour Body Lift Scrub, Dews of the Gods. So it's made by this person too, and I guess they partnered with Juicy Couture. Why I couldn't get that out, I don't know. Juicy, Dew and Juicy. Oh, I can't wait to use that. You can hear I can feel the salt in there. I like this little container. It's like the lip gloss container. It's so cute. Can't wait to scrub a dub with that. Okay, what is this? This says Beat Glow Boosting Serum. We love serums. You can do two. You can add 2 to 3 serums to your skincare routine. Up to 3. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops Serum. Another serum. I'm gonna try to make this quick because I ran out of storage the other day. So there were a couple of products that I didn't get to mention. These were all add-ons, a part of the Ipsy bag. So this one is the Innisfree Green Tea Enzyme PHA Toner. And that was another add-on, so you can add on different things to your bag on top of the products that you already get. These are a couple of other things that I added to my bag. Sawasu. These, I'm gonna put these on the screen too. This was a ginseng serum, and then this was the cream. These are so cute. I've told y'all a million times, I love these sizes for the beauty fridge. My beauty fridge is packed. These are perfect for packing your beauty fridge full of your little mini skincares for you to test out. You can even refill them. Thank you. So little. Oh, so cute. The full size. It smells weird, real herbaceous. You can really smell the herbs in there. I love Korean skincare, so these I really wanted to try. I wasn't able to get the full-size version, but so I did request these in my Ipsy bag to be added additionally. And another good thing about Ipsy that I didn't know, that you can get discounts on products that I guess other people can't get through your membership. So I really like Ipsy. I'll probably add some more products. Oh, that scrub was fabulous. I've never had a scrub like that before. So you start dry. It's perfect for your feet. You start dry and really just work it in there, and when you rinse it off, it just turns so silky smooth. I really want a giant tub of that Juicy Couture Dew of the Gods body scrub. It is, and it smells so, it's just heaven. But yes, thank you guys for tuning in. I had ran out of storage, so I'm getting my thing together. I had some adapters. I didn't even know one of the adapters that I had bought from my Bluetooth printer. I didn't even realize all I needed was the memory cards, and I could have been storing memory on the memory cards directly from my phone. I just feel so, but we're gonna get it together now. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, uploading the videos directly to, after I post, I'm gonna upload them directly to my memory card so I can keep the storage free on my videos. So I continue to make videos here on my new YouTube channel. So thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, I'm Zamrah Beauty.